My name is Kim Gonzalez, and I'm the property manager for Lively at Cypress Creek. We decided to try Tumbl for our residents because it was an additional amenity that we could offer. And really, there was no startup cost for us to be able to offer that to our residents. It offers them the ability to get their laundry done without having to take the time to stay home and to do that laundry themselves. We have found that the people that have used it not only are very happy with the service they've received, but they also find that their utility bills are not as high because they're not having to do that laundry and using a dryer and a hot water heater, which are actually one of the highest kilowatt hour appliances that are in their homes are going to be to do their laundry. The feedback that we've had has been very positive. Their interaction with the team was just streamlined perfectly. They picked up their laundry timely. They were able to deliver that back to them at a time that worked for them. And so I've had nothing but positive feedback from our residents. It's actually been a win-win because it gives the residents the ability to do something that helps streamline their own housework, which it also puts less wear and tear on our appliances also because they're doing that outsourced. They actually are very caring in the way that they approach our residents and what they have to offer and are there and available for them. They're not just a number, they actually really are giving great personalized customer service to their people. Absolutely. We would recommend them because, again, as I previously said, we really don't have any upfront cost for us to offer this to them. And it's something that we're not finding that a lot of people are offering to their residents. So it sets us apart and makes us unique in that we can offer an amenity that brings service to them without really having any cost to the property to offer it. What I would say to other property managers is this is a no-brainer. I mean, there's again, no cost for you to start this service up. It maintains itself. The service is actually doing all of the interaction with the residents, and all we do is to share the information with our residents that is there and available for them. And the service actually, Tumbl does all of the work behind the scenes, and we just receive the benefit of the ancillary income that we're receiving. This is a no-brainer.